Alright, so I'm out on the lake doing a test run here on a 1957 7.5 horsepower Evinrude. Customer named Wes dropped it off to me. Carburetor had problems in it. I made a video of it. He had worked on it, but there were parts missing. I got it going. Had a little problem with the two-line fuel system. Cleaned out the jets inside the carb manifold, and she runs good now. Been running her about 30 minutes. He sent it to me without the hood on it, so I'm out here running her. She's a repair job. Come out pretty good. I think Wes is gonna like it. Let's give her a test run here. There. Runs good. We're working on a boat dock here, and I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what's going on. There's my place. There's the neighbor's place. They're building new boat docks. Somebody bought some property up on the hill here. Must be my new neighbors. That's good. It's all good. Life is good on the lake. We love new neighbors. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. I'm going to bring her on in. Well, that was fun running that outboard motor. I really love what I do. As I'm sitting here on my boat dock, I was playing my music and I heard one of my favorite songs. It's a song by Tim McGraw called Be Humble and Kind. It's got one of the best lyrics I've ever heard in a song, and that lyric is, when you get where you're going, don't forget to turn back around and help the next one in line. And you know, as I think about that lyric, I've kind of gotten where I wanted to be with this passion I have for these vintage outboard motors, and I'm turning back around and helping the next one in line get their outboard motor restorations and repairs going. I just love what I do. I love my YouTube channel, and I love all you guys and girls out there. So keep the motor requests coming, keep the video requests coming, and always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.